stripped coral reefs, death of millions of marine animals, and the destruction of thousands of coral habitats. This is the effect of ocean acidification. The bleaching of coral reefs and deficiency in calcium carbonate has destroyed many coral reefs and the health of the ocean. Ocean acidification is the decrease of pH in the ocean's water and the disturbance of the equilibrium between CO2 and calcium carbonate. CO2 is absorbed by water, which creates carbonic acid, which in turn creates bicarbonate and H+. Carbonate reacts with H+ to make bicarbonate, and so the equilibrium creates mostly bicarbonate, dissolving calcium carbonate, which is used for many shells and homes in the ocean. The increase of bicarbonate and that H+ ion raises the pH of the ocean.
In experiments conducted by professional high school students, a mussel shell was submerged in hydrochloric acid over the course of one night. The shell had gone from a solid shape to bending like wet paper when lifted. Most of the mass had been dissolved. These shells are the homes for many marine animals, and the rising acidity of ocean water could dissolve their homes just as the hydrochloric acid did to the mussel shell. The scale goes from 0 to 14. The pH is more acidic if it is lower than 7, and the pH is more basic if it is closer to a pH of 14. 7 is neutral, as well as the pH of water. The pH of the ocean's water has been about 8.2, but that is changing. Over the years, the pH has become less basic and more acidic by dropping to a pH of 8.1. This might seem like a small change, but this is actually very large. The pH scale is logarithmic, so a 0.1 change in the pH of the oceans is really a 25% increase in ocean acidity.
As you probably already know, combustion engines used in machines that use gasoline emit carbon. This is soluble in water, including the salt in the ocean's water. You can think of this process as a never-ending circle. The gases that are emitted enter the Earth's oceans, while more CO2 is being emitted by humans. Over time, the Earth's oceans absorb 25 to 40% of the CO2 gases emitted, therefore raising the pH levels in the oceans, which leads to drastic changes in the ocean's ecosystem.
Ocean acidification is eating away at the ocean's natural habitats and affecting the ocean's equilibrium. Humans are rapidly changing the pH climate in the ocean, so quickly in fact that marine species cannot adapt and are dying off. As we talked about previously, carbon emissions produced by humans is causing this change. If we continue at this rate, the ocean's water will no longer be livable for many marine species.
It is up to us to make a difference in our climate. We can make a difference by driving fuel-efficient cars, using more efficient light bulbs, and reducing our material and food consumption. This is up to us. Make a difference now, and we might have an inhabitable ocean to show our children.